All right, good morning or good afternoon, class. Today, topic is going to be about equations with variables on both sides. All right, so this is a two-step equation. This is an equation with variables on both sides, and I'm going to show you how this problem right here is going to be a two-step equation like this one, like we have learned already, with hopefully you have mastered already. So we have 3x plus 2 equals negative 10. Separate both sides. We have this plus 2. We do the opposite. Subtract 2 to both sides. We have 3x equals negative 12. We have this multiplication problem. Divide 3 by both sides because we do the opposite to both sides. Remember that. Don't forget. X equals negative 12 divided by 3. You get negative 4. All right. That was a two-step equation done. Hopefully it was pretty simple for you guys. If not, refer back to the other video. Hopefully you guys understand it better. All right, now equations with variables on both sides. It's pretty simple. I'm not gonna lie. It's very, very simple. You're moving the x's to one side, the regular numbers to the other side. Simple as that. That's all we're really doing. Okay? So you can really move them to any side. You can move the x to this side or the 3x to that side. Doesn't really matter. I really like moving them to the left side or whichever is easier. But so you guys get comfortable with, we're always going to move them to the left side. All right. So this x, we subtract x to both sides because you always, what you do to one side, you always do to the other. So you subtract x to one side, you subtract x to the other side. These x's don't matter. 3x minus x, remember, just 2x. Now, move the regular numbers to the other side, to the opposite side. We have this plus 2 right here. You subtract 2 to both sides. Okay? Plus 10, positive 10, minus 2 equals 8. Now what is this, what we have here? What is this? A two-step equation. Now we have 2x equals 8. You divide by 2 on both sides. X is equal to 4. Now, if you guys are not sure about your final answer of x equals 4, you guys can check it and plug it in to x on both sides, and both sides need to equal the same. So you plug in 4 here, 3 times 4, 12, plus 2 equals 14. You have 4 plus 10 equals 14, and now you know both sides equal 14, so this is the final answer of x equals 4. So that is how you know you're correct. I'm going to show you guys 2 more examples, and hopefully you guys understand how to do equation with variables on both sides. All right, so we have 2 more examples that I'm going to show you guys today in this video. All right, we're separating both sides. Move the x to one side, regular numbers to the other side. Simple as that. So we have this 3x right here. Do the opposite, subtract 3x to both sides. We don't care about this anymore. 4x minus 3x, you're only going to get 1x technically, but we just like to write x by itself. You have this plus 3 right here. Subtract 3 to both sides. Negative 7 minus 3. If you owe me $7, then you owe me another $3. You owe me $10. So the final answer is going to be x equals negative 10. Ideally, this is what you want to see, just x equals a number. Like that is the answer we're looking for. And if you're not sure, you can plug it back in like we did before. So yeah, sometimes you won't have that extra last step because sometimes the problems will just work out in your favor, but won't always happen. Now, for this other example here, separate both sides, move x to one side, regular numbers to the other side. Simple as that. We have this 2x, subtract 2x to the other side. Actually, this problem is supposed to have negative 2x. So, it's 6x minus 5 equals negative 2x minus 29. Okay, so we have this negative 2x here. Now, we're going to add 2x to the other side because we do the opposite. We see a negative, we do addition to the other side. So these will cancel out, doesn't matter. Add 2x to the other side. 6x plus 2x equals 8x equals, we have this negative 5 here. Add 5 to one side to get rid of it. Move it, take it off to the other side. Add 5 to the other side. Negative 29 plus 5 would give you negative 24. Now we have a two-step equation. We divide 8 on both sides because it's a multiplication problem, so we do the opposite, which is division. Divide 8 by both sides. Negative 24 divided by 8 would give you the final answer of x equals negative 3. That is it. That is equations and variables on both sides. Now, I'll put some practice problems up here for you so you guys can practice them, and hopefully you guys can master this topic because this is going to be very helpful with very high level math because we just keep doing this in multiple math classes. So this is a good foundation for you guys to learn. Thank you.